Yo, countryman, you not buy no shot or no gun for man. Jamaica first and country first, set in Japan. Yeah, the Jamaican people channel. I think it's for Panic 44 and 44 5 Macogan and Smooth Urban Getaya, representing for countryman. See it? And the Jamaica people channel. Yeah, man. Jamaica first, country first.
Yeah, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Yo, big up the artists. See the artists give you a big heavy drop there, a big jingle. Big up to the artists, yo. Predator Outlaw. The big sound system. See it there. Yo, Nelly Katai. The realest done. Country girl. Big up on yourself. St. Vincent, Trinidad, Jamaica, everywhere. Yo, I want to talk about a youth. One of the most dangerous gangster come out of Belize. Him name. When you ready for him name? Darren Banks.
A crowd of spectators watched as the bullet-riddled body of Darren Irwin Banks was removed from the drain where he spent his last moments. The 49-year-old was once one of the most notorious street figures in Belize City, but for a number of years, his name had fallen away from the headlines.
Who is Darren Banks? Darren Banks come from a place named Martins in Belize. Now, in Martins, you have two gangs. You have the Bacalan Crips, which is a spin-off of the Ghost Town Crips. And then you have the PIV. Now, to give you an idea of the era I'm talking,
I could take it. So I tell her I feel like I will pass out.
Banks was no stranger to the law. He had escaped several attempts on his life in the past and was accused of several crimes including murder and attempted murder. He was once the leader of the PIV Bloods in Belize City.
Where the PIV is and the Bacalan Crips is, it's only a 2-minute drive. Let me repeat that. It's only a 2-minute, maybe less than 2 minutes where the two gang them there. So you see how big the space is, pretty small.
But according to his sister, as of lately, Banks was a changed man. Miss Banks, we know that Darren has had a few run-ins with the law. I can imagine he had maybe made a few enemies. Do you think that maybe it was his past that caught up to him?
No, because he give up all of them. He made bring back fresh memories.
He had turned his life around?
Yes, he had turned his life around. He accepted Christ.
So, before we go any further, I talk to my brother in Belize and I ask him, I say, why did they start beefing? And the man said, to be honest, him can't really tell. Him no know why them start beef. But the beef got out of control. Now, may I tell you something about Darren? This man right here, so, he likes loyalty. I'm telling you. He likes loyalty.
In 2011, Banks' brother Jasim Gladden was gunned down and died while receiving treatment at the KHMH. His family is now mourning yet another loved one whose life has been claimed by gun violence. But according to his sister this time around, they aren't being left to do so in peace. She says that since her brother's murder, the police have been targeting their family.
Just this morning, they beat up my 16-year-old, slap up my 16-year-old in my face, and this and that. And make the police, make Chester know, make the officer, they back off for we, because we don't have no retaliation. what he for do, and I check ties there, make them stop come beat up my 16-year-olds in a chest. And make them stop pepper spray me.
Banks' family added that they will be leaving vengeance to the Lord and will be hoping.
I'm gonna tell you how him operate. Now, this brother here was a big time stepper. Him have him cartel because you know Mexico is right there on the next border. And Guatemala. The man have him link. The man have all police boy where him deal with. Now, the little gangster them where they round him, some of them a snitch, and this man hate a snitch. This man, let me tell you, if him find out say use a snitch, him do an investigation and find out say use a snitch, him a go get rid of you. And he'll tell your friend, listen, go get rid of Countryman. And if you don't, you might get rid of both of them. It's just the facts. You see what I'm saying? Just the facts, not made up. Now, that brother here, in a 2010, the man got a port and go upon the port for a container full of drugs.
He go to church and like that. Sometimes he not go because he start to fear to his life. And like so.
Why would he fear his life? Did he have
Because
problems with anyone?
He feared they kill him, but he start to if they kill me, sis, I don't make up my mind already. Cause I tell him what view and red vehicle pass the other night, and then I tell him. So he says, sis, I don't make up my mind for go with my mom and my brother.
So he felt his death coming.
Yes. He start to and he not fear nobody. He don't make up a life already.
Back in 2011,
With that said, the man end up getting him for that. Let's say 2010, me make a mistake, 2008. After that, get caught up, them find a M16 or a M15 in yard, amongst other things where my wife there. Cause remember, him run film yard, it named Banks yard, and I did so. All of the man them, sorry, me drop my phone. All of the man them, link up on. You see what me I say? Now, after that, like me say, him end up get caught up and go jail. In between that, appear shooting and killing, and him devastate the Bacalan Crips them. Now, him end up go jail and do 3 years or a couple years, pay a $10,000 fine. Plus, him did upon attempted murder charge. Him did the all America and get deported. So when him get deported, him go back, that's when him start doing thing. Yo, when him come out of jail now, him decide say, him have a chill out and make the other youth them deal with the thing. Cause him have a second. The brother here, Darren, he was so paranoid, don't trust anybody, it even affect him So one time, them did say he's going crazy, but I don't think he was going crazy. This man was playing crazy. He come out of jail, chilling out, not bother nobody. But guess what? Film story go like all the rest of the story then. And it's unfortunate. Him come out of jail and him a chill. But war a go on in the neighborhood. Film story remind me of youth where me know get licked down at Jamaica. When he and Wizzy. Him not have nothing to do with certain things. But certain family member and certain associate are go on with certain things. And because of that, him become a target. And the same thing happen to Darren Banks. Him leave him yard. I walk go buy something at the shop. A little youngster see him. For a retaliation shooting we go on the night before upon the Baccalan Crips. Cause the Baccalan Crips kill him, you know, a young boy. And see him go to the shop to buy something. And the young boy shot the man in him back. Shot him in him back. And kill him. And I saw that man here, Darren Banks, one of Belize's most notorious gangster. Him form the PIV gang. And that come from out of Martin. One of the most dangerous gang. That gang they still around. You have the leader, him second in command, become the leader. And me going to talk about the youth there in our next video. But if you don't believe me, you can check it out for yourself. The youth here, Darren Banks, I want cool youth, but I want good youth too. Cause him look after the neighborhood, him take care of all of the man them, him take care of a lot of people. But you know how this business go. When you do them business here, and you have a whole bunch of people around you, there's always gonna be a Judas. That's something that we cannot get rid of. Now, there is something about Belize that I want to address. And I'm gonna do a comparison to our Trinidad. I notice all of the gangster them, I Belize, live in board house and live at their mother yard. I can't understand. You're a bad man. You're a killer. And you live in your mother yard. Now you have put your family at risk. Pussy. If you never know that. Let me say it again. If you're a gangster and you're living in your mother house, you're putting your family at risk. Batty boy. Okay? Now, another thing. When you are war with man, you can't war in a boardhouse. Okay? Me just I tell you, there's a couple principles of war if you not war. And you have to have money. When you send your soldier them out in the field, them have to drive tanker, them need to eat, them need to bathe, all sort of things happen when you do a war. You see the war go on in Ukraine. You think the man them just, yeah man, make me jump in a one plane. I go drop 2 bombs and then go back at my yard, go fuck some pussy. No. It no work like that. It no work like that. But one thing me notice I Belize, and it's kinda perplexing. Mexico they beside them and Guatemala and the cartel them did it. But the youth them we are do the gang war. Them now make no money. The man them at Trinidad and make more money than them youth here. And them youth here in a Belize have a bag of money situation around them. Yo, straight up, me don't mind a youth hustling now. Cause the government them a pussy. Okay? Me no mind uno hustle when me can't take a kill off with neighborhood and a sub countryman feel. Now, me know me chat enough. Back to the story. Darren Banks. Him a one of the godfather of gangs in Belize. Now, where the gang them come from? The gang, like a man did say, come from the replication of what them see in America. And remember Darren Banks and enough other man did the America and them get deported. And when them come back in a Belize, then the man them start rep Bloods, Crips, this, that. And it just kind of branch out into a damn abyss. And I saw the thing said. But there is so much more to talk about Belize and the gangster and what's going on. It really disgusting, me not lie. And the government, them a big pussy. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. And like me say, there's a lot more to come from Belize. It's such a beautiful place. And the man them a make it go down the drain like that. I'm out.